In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get working Airbnb promo codes. To get started, open Airbnb and sign into your account. This is important because many promotions are account specific, which means you may only see them after logging in. Once you're inside your account, take a moment to check whether Airbnb has already issued any promotions, credits, or discounts directly to you. Sometimes these appear in your account settings, wallet area, or during the booking process, so it's worth looking carefully. Next, review your email inbox for promotional offers sent by Airbnb. If the company has shared a discount, limited time deal, or special travel credit with you, it will often arrive by email. Make sure to check not only your main inbox, but also your promotions or spam folder, just in case the message was filtered there. After that, visit Airbnb's official promotions pages or help pages to see whether there are any active offers available in your region. Availability can vary depending on your location, so an offer that works in one country may not apply in another. Sticking to Airbnb's official pages also helps you avoid expired or misleading codes from third-party sites. You should also look for partner promotions from eligible airlines, credit card companies, or travel partners. From time to time, these companies offer Airbnb discounts as part of rewards programs or special campaigns. If you already use a travel card or loyalty program, this can be a useful place to check. Once you find a possible promo code or offer, read the terms and conditions carefully. This step matters because promo codes often come with eligibility requirements, expiration dates, minimum booking amounts, or restrictions on certain stays. Taking a few seconds to review the details can save you frustration later. If the offer is valid, copy the promo code exactly as provided. Be careful with spacing, capitalization, or extra characters, since even a small mistake can prevent the code from working properly. Then, apply the code during checkout or follow the redemption instructions that came with the promotion. Some offers are entered manually, while others may activate automatically through a special link or account-based credit. Before completing your payment, verify that the discount has actually been applied. Look at the final booking summary and make sure the total reflects the savings you expected. This is the best time to catch any issue before you're charged. Once everything looks correct, finish your booking using your preferred payment method. And that's how to get working Airbnb promo codes while making sure the offer is valid, applied correctly, and ready to use.